Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In my previous video, I covered a guide on how to reset Apple Watch if you know the passcode. But what if you are logged out and can't remember your passcode? You can still reset it, but you need your watch charger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Apple Watch if you forget the passcode. Before that, there is a quick note. Resetting your watch will erase all content and settings. However, because your watch backups automatically to your iPhone, you will be able to restore almost everything once we are done. Also make sure you have your Apple ID and password handy, as activation lock will likely ask for them during the setup. So here is what you need to do. Place your watch on its charger. This is a safety requirement for the reset. Press and hold the side button, the flat one below the digital crown, until the power menu appears. Don't slide the power off. Instead, firmly press and hold the digital crown for about 3 seconds. A prompt will appear asking if you want to erase all content and settings. Tap reset, then tap reset again to confirm. Your watch will now begin the wiping process. Once it restarts, it will be like it's brand new. Once the process completes, you will see the welcome screen. Just bring your iPhone near to it. Follow the pairing prompts. I have covered detailed video on how to do that, so check the link in the description. So that's all about this video. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.